Alright, so I got this at Target for a super good price, and I can't wait for a proper setup to open it because I'm just too excited to see what's in it. Looks like we got some instructions, some pretty cool looking slimes, packaging, and some mystery boxes. What's inside? It's a mystery.
Go.
Pretty big bottles of glue. There's some white glue, slime activator, so 2 clear and some white glue, and slime activator that we will not be using because I use borax. Let's see. Oh, this doesn't have tape like that one. Oh, we got lots of paints. Color of the slimes. I think this is exciting. What's inside? Ooh, googly eyes. Microfloam piece. Glitter. More glitter. Oh my god, it's like a glitter smorgasbord. Is that hollow? No. Really tiny, like, slushy bead things. Oh, lots of glitter. That's what's in that one.
That is a lot of glitter.
I'm down for the glitter. I like glittery slimes. Maybe I shouldn't put the blue one back in there just yet. Oh, there's paper to put down so you don't make a mess. That's really awesome, crazy art. I take it these are the... Yeah. So they give you little mixing bowls. And then the little, like, deli container style. Little measuring cups. And spoons. Oh my god, it's so cute. Thanks for watching. Bye.